Hello everyone, welcome to my session. This is Rajesh Reddy. In the last session we finished about quadrilaterals, and now in this session let us learn about circle and its parts. So what is a circle? So in our daily life we can see many things like our button, collar button is in a round shape, as eyeball also in a round shape. Okay, so many things in our home also we can see there are round shape. So what is a round? Round is nothing but it is a circular shape. And what is a O? So what is a O here? The middle one, it is nothing but it is a center. So it is called as a center, and from the center to any point on the circle, so any point which are all of their equal distance. So anywhere, any point on the circle we can take. For example, let us take from O to one point as A. So O to A or O to B, we can take any point or anywhere point on the circle. So the radius. So what do we call the distance between center to any point on the circle? So this is called as a radius, and we can indicate with small r. Okay, so I hope you understand. O is a center, and thus from the center to any point on the circle, so we can say that as radius. Okay, so this is what center and the radius. See here, chord. So what is a chord? Let us see. It is a center, we know very well, and take 2 points from here to here. One point, nothing but it is a P and it is a Q. So if you join 2 points on the circle, so this is called nothing but as a chord. So this is what we call it here, chord. So how many chords we can draw on the circle? We can draw many chords. Okay, so like this we can able to draw many chords. So the chord which is passing through, so the chord which is passing through the center, which is passing through the center, that is the biggest one. So the biggest chord is nothing but which is passing through the center. So which is passing through the center is a biggest chord, and that is also called as AB, nothing but diameter. What do we call? It is a diameter. Diameter is nothing but from O to A it is a radius, from O to B it is also radius. So diameter D is equal to R plus R, nothing but 2 radius. So we can draw many chords, but what is the biggest chord? The which is passing through the center is called a biggest chord, and that is called as a diameter. So the diameter is equal to radius plus radius, 2 radius. So if you know the diameter, to define the radius, half of the diameter, so d by 2. So this is what about the chord and the diameter. Here let us learn about segment and sector. So first of all, let us learn segment. So what is a segment? So just now we know very well O is a center, and we have drawn the one chord. This is what? A chord. So for example A, B and a chord, and this is what? Arc. So this is smaller, so we can call it as minor arc. So this is a bigger one, so it is called as a major arc. So the area which is enclosed by, chord and arc. So the area which is enclosed by chord and the arc, so this is called as a segment. So here it is less area, so that it is called as a minor segment, and this is called as a major segment. Major is a more portion and minor it is a small portion. So that is what is a segment? Area enclosed by chord and arc is called a segment. So we can see here minor segment, major segment. Which has large portion, that is major segment. Which has less portion, that is a minor segment. Okay, now let us see sector. So what is a sector? In a circle, so center is O and one radius, OA is a radius, OB is a radius, and the part which is having here this part. So here angle also forming. Here the area enclosed by 2 radius plus arc. So it is called as a sector. So here what do we understand here? It should be area enclosed by a chord and the R. It is called segment. Here between two radius and R, it is called as a sector, which is the angle. So it is a smaller portion, so that is why it can be called as minor sector, and it is a larger portion, so it is called as a major sector. So I hope you understand that what is a segment and what is a sector. Segment means one chord and R, and here sector means two radius and one R. So this is what about segment and sector. So overall about the circle. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends.